So far, 2 blunts, weed and blue.
I'm on 3.
Your bitch fucking the crew. Easy ish, we keep it too smooth, nigga.
Now lately I've been fucking stressing. In these verses I be cursing, yet this shit is such a blessing. Now I ain't mean no disrespect, I'm just trying to get a grip of checks. Ferrari, Bugatti off in Maui and have my niggas set. They told me life is a bitch with tits, did you feel them yet? And if that bitch is still going, is you getting neck? I hope you is. Better stay focused on this focused kid that spit the most potent shit. That kids that start listening to Wiz and plan on start growing this big. They probably get close to the big before they get closer to Almighty. Label me a creator, I ain't tripping on these lames, cause even Jesus had haters. I'm on my grinders like a skater, motherfucker. The time is money, and right now you looking late, motherfucker. It's whatever. All the words are very clever, they get your wig pushed back. If I can't rap, then Pookie ain't on crack, and all you niggas can fucking fall back. And I promise you that I fucked up and fell in love once, and I'll never go back. I hope she has a baby, then gets aborted. I'm positive that. And then I hope she fucking hears the track and then text me back and say, what the fuck? I thought we was fucking cool.
Do I look like a fucking fool? Cause you fucking with fucking fools? Heard you a fucking fool, but you know what? It's fucking cool. You can do whatever.
And if the shoe fits, bitch, wear it. You can do the leather.
Ease.
Fuck that bitch.
I'm the shit. Roll up in executive branch, smoking with 2 bad bitches and a couple of skanks that ain't smoking on my shit. White, them hoes catch contact, can't feel in the blank. I am king of my hill, call me Hank. Smoke that dank, check my rank. Some niggas only wish to get a clean slate. If you gon' copy, might as well paste, but it's a waste. Give me face, niggas don't know me and they don't know the case. Nigga chill out, drink a frappe, smoking Renee Dupre. Shout out to my niggas that came school late. Straight blow in the air, eating a blunt and shit. Made the bitch forfeit, cute bitch, and that made her torque it. Circle of my niggas in his orbit, flamed it, aim it, said it like Simon. Got the goody goody like Frankie Lyman. I'm the illest nigga, they ask how you figure. I reply, you never met another nigga like me. Open the blinds and see, to be great is to be misunderstood. Ain't it fucked up when you realize you're lonely? Ain't it fucked up when you're hanging around your homies? Cause of the fact they only want your money. Solo, dolo, different story. You out there like you on Maury or Jerry. Take a puff for some berries. Jesus wept cause of Mary. Hey yo, Mill. Hey, it was like, when she fucking the crew, when she fucking the crew, oh, she fucking you too. She fucking the crew, she fucking the crew. Oh no. You a fool, nigga.
Broadcast swag, nigga, we didn't use.
Oh yeah.